my YouTube channel! So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to prepare the moist cake without an oven. Yun. So making a cake without an oven. So I'll be sharing it to you how I prepare that in a simple way. So first thing that we need is the cookies. Yan. Oreo, cream o anything na pwede na chocolate and then cream yung nasa inside. And then we have to set aside it first, the cookies and then the cream. So just keep on watching, guys. So, once na-set aside nyo na siya, yan, nalaglag. Yeah, so, once na na-set aside nyo na siya like this, so start natin na turugin itong cookies.
A few moments later.
Yan, so once na nadurog nyo na siya, yan. So, hindi ko firm yung pagkakadurog. Kasi, i-blend ko rin naman siya later on. So, saktong durog lang. Medyo may maliliit lang din na nabuo. I'll make it shoot like this. Yeah. Hindi siya super firm. May mga konting buo pa. So next thing is we have to melt this cream by using evaporated milk, and then add tayo ng konting condensed para at least medyo tumamis-tamis siya.
Then on the other side, let's prepare the hot water for boiling and for steaming.
Next is we have to put everything here in the blending machine. Yeah. So be careful, everyone. And we have to put the Oreo. And then next is we have to put the milk. It make it easier kapag binblend mo kasi siya, mas may siya ng let's put some sugar. This is 1 tablespoon sugar. And then baking powder. This is 1 teaspoon baking powder. And then mixed again. Then double check if meron pang buo-buo. Like this. And so let's mix again. Then meron pa siyang konting buo. Then lastly, we have to put the butter, melted butter, to make it correct. And let's mix again. is we have to prepare yung paglalagyan natin ng ating mixture. So, first thing is we have to put the absorbent paper. So, right now, dahil ECQ pa rin, so, for sure, madaming walang available. So, wala tayong absorbent paper. So, DIY yung ginamit ko. So, I use A4 paper and then, I'll make sure of course na walang fabric. So, by using oil, yun, kailangan pahida mo siya ng oil. Then, it will looks like this. And the next thing is, syempre, kailangan natin lagyan ng oil yung paligid neto. Like this. Yan. So, yan. So, kailangan natin siyang pahida ng oil para at least later, kapag na-bake na siya or nilagay na natin yung mixture, kapag naluto na siya, hindi siya masyadong madikit dun sa ating liyanera. So, as you can see, yan, pinaglagyan ng cookies yung ano ko dahil wala kasi ako mabilan ng liyanera na bilog. So, I tried this once and then okay naman yung niya, yung naging result. So, let's see if ganun pa rin yung magiging result after this video. Yan. So, yan. Kailangan malagyan lang natin ng madaming oil yung paligid niya. So, next we have to put the mixture. So, kailangan natin siyang i-bump like this para lumabas yung pressure. So, once the water is ready, let's put this mixture inside. Yan, first steaming. So, careful tayo guys ha, kasi medyo mainit to. Okay. So, let's steam this for about 30 to 40 minutes. And let's go. So let's check. Ooh, so yummy. Yan. So, kapag may dumikit pa, ibig sabihin hindi pa luto. But then, kung wala na, okay na siya. See? Wala na. So, it's ready na. Ayan, once na ma-transfer, let's have to remove the absorbent paper like this. Ayan. Diba? So, yummy, oh. So, hindi pa yan. Ano pa tayo? Then, we have to transfer it again to another plate. Then, flip it off like this. Then, let's start for the decoration. I'll be putting some few of chocolate syrup I made. And then, let's spread out. So, just spread it out, the chocolate syrup. Depende sa inyo ha, kung ano yung gusto nyong design. Kung gusto nyo ba may chocolate syrup or wala. Again, let's add some halos. din.